Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Robinhood. Is Robinhood available outside the United States? The quick answer is yes, but with significant limitations. Robinhood's primary focus remains the United States. To open a standard Robinhood brokerage account for stocks and options, you must typically be a U.S. citizen, U.S. permanent resident, or have a valid U.S. visa, and have a legal U.S. residential address and social security number. However, Robinhood has been expanding its international presence. Currently, Robinhood operates fully in the United Kingdom. Customers in the UK have access to commission-free trading of US-listed stocks and ETFs. Additionally, Robinhood offers limited services in the European Union. Through a separate entity, Robinhood Europe, customers in eligible EU countries can access cryptocurrency services and, in some cases, trading in tokenized stocks and ETFs. For most other international locations, the core stock and options trading platform is not available. If you are a U.S. account holder traveling abroad, you can generally still access your account from most countries. However, due to U.S. regulations, specifically those from the Office of Foreign Assets Control, access is prohibited in a few sanctioned countries like Cuba, Iran, North Korea, and others. So, while Robinhood's core services were historically U.S. only, they have officially launched in the UK and have a limited offering in the EU. For the rest of the world, you will need to look for local or international brokerage alternatives. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.